Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add sum calculations in Confluence table. First, open the Confluence website in your browser and log in using your account details. Once you are logged in, go to the page where you want to add sum calculations. If you already have a table or database created, open that page. If you do not have one yet, you can create a new database. To create a new database, click on the Create button in Confluence. From the options, select Database. This will open a new database view where you can start adding your data. Make sure the database is open in edit mode so you can make changes. Now, you need to add a number field. This is important because some calculations only work with number fields. Look at the top of your database columns and click the plus icon. From the list of field types, select Number. A new column will appear, and this column will accept numeric values only. Next, enter the data or amounts you want to sum. Click into each cell under the number field and type your values. After entering the numbers, move to the bottom of the same column. Here you will see a calculation option. Click on the calculation button at the bottom of the column. A small menu will open showing different calculation choices. From this menu, select Sum. Once you select Sum, Confluence will automatically add all the numbers in that column. The total sum will appear at the bottom of the column, and it will update automatically if you change any values above. Thanks for watching.